Here we have Ulysses ULB tester. It is used for testing the voltage of the ULB battery and as well as the outgoing signal. The part number is 205838-00. So let's open it. So what we have here is the pocket size tester. It has got on-off switch, the speaker from where we can hear the beep for receiving the signal, the microphone for detecting the signal. This is the probe, I'll show you the usage later, and the USB micro B type port. It has got internal battery which has to be replaced once you get the low battery symbol. This is the 3 volt button type cell and the cover for protection. We have got 3 cables over here. This is the normal cable with USB port so that you can connect it with the PC and we can transfer the data from our tester to the PC for the particular software. This is single port, single probe type cable cord which has to be used with the battery which has got the terminal on opposite side. So we'll connect this one, and then one probe we have to use with this one, connect with this negative side, and the positive probe will be connected on the positive side of the battery. Okay, and this is another type of activation cord, positive negative. This is for SID88 type low frequency ULB, because the terminal is together, so we use this cord for activating the ULB. So this is the tester. For switching it on, we'll just press and hold this switch, push button. Our screen is touch screen. Okay, so we have got 4 options over here. This is the measurement option, this is the memory option, this is sending the message, sending the data from our tester to the PC when we connect it via USB, and this is the info option. We'll just click on this. So this is giving you the company name and website of all the details about this tester Ulysses. We'll click on again for coming it out. Now for measuring it, we'll click on this. Once we click on this, we'll get the measuring screen, connecting screen after connection of the probe. So let us click this. So here it is showing that we can now connect the tester with the ULB. So we can use any type whatever we are using, and then we'll get a progress bar over here when we have successfully activated the ULB. Once it is done, I'll show you the screen where you can see the data which has been received. So here you can see when you do the test, you will get screen like this. When we get single pulse, we'll get here the pulse symbol, and we can hear the beep sound from the speaker. The first one is showing you that it has received the pulses of ULB successfully, and only after 3 pulses we receive, we'll get this tick mark. So you can measure the rate of receiving the pulses. The 3 pulses will get this tick mark. The second one is showing you the voltage was measured, 3.6 voltage was measured on the last test we did on the ULB. And this is the serial number for the ULB we did the test, SD104580. Okay, for coming out, we will just click on this again. This is the memory. When we click on this, we will get the screen which is showing the data which we have already done the test before, the last saved data. Okay, only the last one will be shown. So this is the last one. If you want to see the live testing, you can see the link below. And for coming it out, we'll just click on this again. Now this one is sending. We connect our tester with this one, and when we connect it to our PC computer system, and there is a particular software, ULB report creator. Company will have. So once we connect it via the cable, we have to click on this send button. So the last data will be sent to the computer software, and on the computer software we can read out the data, and then we can store it and save it and also print it out. Don't forget to watch the video while we do the test on the live aircraft. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, share it among your friends. Thank you for watching.